Welcome to tip number 32. Tip number 32 is to help your customers remember that you're there to help them. And it is customer retention management. Now, customer retention management can be handled by an outside service. These are your emails, your text, your cards that you might send in the mail, and it can be done internally. And some of your software, so different software that runs shops, has its own customer retention management. Now, I don't necessarily recommend that you do that yourself, because with everything else you do, this is something that seems to be lacking, and yet it is on my core 7, the core things that I would do for marketing before I would do anything else. So you need to have a good customer retention program, and one that someone pays attention to. You're going to reach out and touch your customers regularly through your CRM. When they come in, you're going to send them a thank you card for coming in. You're going to send them an email thanking them for coming in. You're going to send them something in the middle of all this to say, hey, we're still here and we still want to take care of your car. So you can send little educational pieces out through your CRM that will help them remember that you're there when the time comes that they need you. You need your name in front of them regularly so that they remember who you are when the time comes. You can also do surveys. I used to do a survey once a year. Be careful that you don't ask too many questions. 3 to 5 questions in a survey is just perfect. Remember, it's not necessarily about getting the information back from the customer, but it's a way to reach out and say, I'm still here for you. You want to be consistent. Consistent means that you probably send something out to your client maybe once or twice a month. Remember, if you're doing all of the social media and you're doing some of the other things in the core 7, you're going to be in front of them anyway, but this is just another way. Now, you can also do some kind of a special during a month when you're slow, but be very, very careful about sending out discounts and coupons here, because if you do it regularly, you may be teaching your customers to wait for the coupon before they come see you. Be careful and use your CRM very sparingly so that they don't get used to seeing discounts in their email or through their text or in cards, because we don't want them waiting for that email or that text or that card to bring their car in. CRM is very, very important. It's something that needs to be managed. Somebody needs to be paying attention to make sure that things are being sent out regularly to our clients through mail, email, and text. Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed this week's tip. For more information on the concepts we discussed, check out our upcoming classes at www.iforabe.com/classes, or listen to the Leading Edge podcast at institutesleadingedge.podbean.com, where we discuss business topics just like this one with a panel of industry experts. You can also contact us whenever it's convenient, and we'll set up a free consultation on how the Institute can help you better your business, your life, and the industry as a whole. We'll see you guys next week.